Hi, I'm Nancy Martinez, and I'm the Director of Marketing and the Independent Retail Florist Customer Channel here at Limbush Roses. And welcome to LBR Talks, where we share nuggets on business and leadership to help you enhance and elevate your business. In today's episode, we have our President Jeff Marone back to talk about how to get results. So super excited to have him back. You're going to want to stay tuned. Let's get to it. Hi, I'm Nancy Martinez. I'm the Director of Marketing and Independent Retail Floral Customer Channel here at Limbush Roses. And welcome to LBR Talks. And with me today, we have Jeff Marone, the president here at Limbush Roses. Welcome, Jeff.
Thank you, Nancy. Great to be here again.
Yay. Yeah, thanks for coming back. Today I'm excited about our topic. It's about getting results from our team. And as we were talking about this subject, I was like, man, do I wish I had this information when I had my small retail business. And just these basic principles that I think would have reduced confusion and maybe gotten me better results throughout it. So with that, Jeff, we want to get the best results from ourselves and our team. What's our first step?
Yeah, I think it's really setting clear expectations, clear accountabilities. We produce bouquets, and at the end of the day, our expectation as a team, as a shop, is that the table's clean, our knives are sharpened, the trash is taken out, the compost is composted.
And what's the best way? And I like that. And what's the best way to communicate that to the team?
I think we're always better served to have written expectations. It can be as simple as a task list or a picture of what the area needs to look like when we're done for producing for the day. Something simple works much more effectively than I think this is what the boss expects or this is the way it was yesterday, so let me leave it the same. A clear written or a visual expectation of this is where we want to end up each and every day could not be more clear.
Reminds me of a statement of a podcast I listen to, and it's if you confuse, you lose, which means it's like bring clarity to what you expect, take the fuzziness out of it, and then everyone can more easily be on the same page.
Yeah, absolutely. Simple task list. I'm responsible for cleanup. You sharpen the knives. Jeff takes out the trash. Done. Have it written. Daily accountability brings that clarity and avoids confusion and inefficiency.
And besides that, me as the owner or the shop leader I know that's being taken care of, and I know it's understood because it's well documented. So now that's just taken off my shoulders. I can think of the other things that are important for me to do to make sure we succeed as a business.
For sure. And the benefit for employees is they're clear on what's expected.
Yeah.
And the beauty of what we've been talking about is providing feedback and coaching along the way that, Jeff, you're doing a great job taking out the trash. Keep it up and let me know if I can help at all. Or redirect me if I'm bringing out the trash, but I'm leaving a trail of stems along the way. It's important I get that feedback and you redirect my behavior to what the expectation is.
I love that because I think
mutually beneficial.
Yeah, sometimes it's just these simple things that can just really help elevate and get things going.
Yeah.
So we have clear expectations. Is there a follow-up to that?
In addition to the ongoing coaching, I'm a big fan of having a recurring check-in. It could be as simple as once a week, the owner and the employee, or the leader and the employee get together for a 15-minute huddle. So recurring, same time, same place.
What do we talk about during that huddle?
Yeah, I'm a big fan of focusing on the positive. So I've got a simple agenda that I use with team members, which is, let's talk about what went well in the last week. What did we accomplish, or what did you accomplish? Which gives me as the leader an ability to hear how they went about taking care of something that created value for the team or the business or the customer. And then gives me an opportunity to provide feedback on it, as well as stay connected to what's happening. So start with accomplishments, and then what are our current priorities? What's going on? What's working? What opportunities exist to improve? What help does the employee need that I, as the supervisor or leader, can help with? And then anything else. What's coming up? I want to take vacation. Um, there's this issue over here that I haven't been able to talk to anybody about. I want to share that. I think it's having that time and space each week to connect and share ideas and keep moving forward.
Yeah. I like how you start with what did we accomplish and what went well in the last week. And I think that is not only important for you as a leader to hear, but as an employee to really reflect and think about that I added value and I get to share that with you and I get to speak to it and I have an audience, an important one that will listen to me there. And man, anytime you can give someone the opportunity to do that, I think is really rewarding.
Yeah, that's powerful. That matters.
It does
So
matter.
My supervisor cares enough about me to check in and reinforce that I'm pretty good at taking out the trash. I feel good about that. In the absence of that, in the absence of feedback along the way, I'm left to my own devices to determine I'm doing a good job. My supervisor doesn't care about me or does care about me.
Or you don't know.
You just don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the opportunity, you said first you talk about accomplishments and then, what can we do or what opportunities do we have? And I think that engagement too, all of a sudden you're empowering your team to suggest or come to you with, well, what ifs? And how powerful is that?
Yeah, absolutely. Right. It leads to engagement, and engaged employees are more productive, they're happier, they stick around, and good things happen. That's what it's all about. Employees want to make a difference. Everybody wants to make a difference. And providing feedback and encouragement from a leadership standpoint really perpetuates that, and good things happen.
Yeah, all good things, and then results, which is...
That's part of good things, yeah.
Good things are results, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome. Well, I appreciate that. And if we wanted to take a deeper dive, do you have a resource that you could suggest?
Yeah, in terms of expectations and feedback, there's a book called Traction. It's really business process focused, but it has the people aspects in it. So it's a great resource for that, as well as other business process that can help the team and the organization move forward.
Okay, so Traction. So we'll put that as a resource for you and a link to how you can look up that book in the bottom. And also, if you have any comments for Jeff or myself or questions that you have, please leave those as well. You talked about the feedback loop. I believe that was episode 4. So if you haven't watched it and want to learn more about how to give effective feedback, I encourage you to go back to that episode as well. And with that, Jeff, I just want to thank you again for coming.
Yeah, thank you. This was great.
Yeah, I appreciate you being here. And I appreciate you all coming back and watching and listening. Until next time, we'll see you. Another great episode. I hope that there's just a nugget or something that you can take away from what Jeff shared today. I think any little thing you can do to help elevate and enhance your business, you will see great results. So again, if you know anything about me, you know I love words and quotes. And today's quote comes from Timothy Galloway. And he says, coaching is unlocking a person's potential to maximize their performance. It's helping them to learn rather than teaching them. So this will be in a downloadable down below. You can go ahead and click on it. You can share it on your social media. You can go ahead and print it, put it on your bulletin board, and share it with your team. So thanks again for joining us. Until next time, we'll see ya.